Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
On his service being placed at the disposal of the District Council Affairs Department by so-and-so number dated 15 October, Shri Vaibor Agarwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills, shall also function as Principal Secretary Garo Hills District Council from the date of taking over charge and further orders. Wah, mbok, izin kali ngopon. Wah, paya mendapat yang kata tulap woi ke sarkar buk tanggi sau Principal Secretary. Apa yang sarkar Principal Secretary bopet gulung kang manubisi yang mannya apa council. Dan kami di pediang ika kekom pelakam autonomi council member. Bobo jema dia kata kamu pediang. Sebab ada yo duduk saya, kami council pediang teman kami. Iwan kata orang ini tahu kok emotion untuk kawan-kawan orang yang pediang ni percaya kan, mereka menengkong cua kawan ni mengenal house. Emi, right, hok, yo ejing che, wah, kiri jeng lain tu yang isi, kiri jeng lain tu yang ke state government, kiri proposal yang ke state government, kiri condition pokok dari yang ke state committee, bening apa yang mau, wah, kini, decision kau cimi, ini tak wani, jeng tak wah kini pediang yang kini kau berlai kam, kini play the lasting impact macam apa cemat. Ni bentai man council ye man go ba kai ye go man da ko dok kata ya ka jing man go bor dengan ni council lo dem bor do kan ni kiwi state kiwi giri bacala dak bacura ye kun gi pon do kwa ni fifth schedule ye kun yo ka ni ka sixth schedule of ni ye kwa yo ki council autonomous council handrai watin yi go yo kat ni la de jing la yang ini the boy dua jani kapor. Tebu kejengma le ami, bang jengha le yiu em. Andre hap perkat hai soal cimi decision ka. Ke decision o cimi mentu university right. Pediang dari karo ongi, betenya anga uye apa wing isi yang isi. Ka ini hak juk government ten rap cim gobu gi bos ipi. Andre hak ni bentang skema hab yin kam te ki embassy lagi ang ikpat yang ngadi agenda health autonomous council ta halor ngani motion ro buo lesa ka hani for house to discussion ni to am ka bin ko ngasnya so participate ni mo ki participate ya cho nong kong kwa yo menche clarity ha ga jing lain ti yang state government we jing lain ti council kaman lain ti ha gani ki ya bi kalam ini kamu yang kelampi ini proposal yang state, wei ini proposal yang council, wei ketu kamu mana Garo Hills Council apa ini yang deputy commissioner atau principal secretary, kabar kau ni do council orang atau secretary isi. Kalau emang so principal secretary, wah nak side dan government kampung Yaman, itu. Itu tahu buat ini motion orang ini kok house ini, table kan ni, yo discuss itu pun yo saja benci. Now, Honorable CM,
I would like to highlight some points in this August House. So, in his statement dated 25 August 2025, as appeared in some section of the media, share the government's decision that the coming number past 25, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salary for the different autonomous councils in the state. The circumstances which lead the government to take such decision, as stated by the Honorable Chief Minister in his statement are: number one, huge deficiency and gap between revenue and expenditure prevailing in the Garo Hills Autonomous Council and the Jainte Hills Autonomous Council, and to some extent in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The three Autonomous District Council are important institutions and are also a symbol of the culture and tradition in the state. To the government, it is absolutely necessary to ensure that not only should the council work properly, but they also try and ensure that different aspects of traditions and culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Once the salaries are paid by the state, the Autonomous District Council can focus on the different areas of concern, development aspect, and different aspects of tradition and culture. The Chief Minister further stated that to ensure that the government decision is implemented in a proper manner, a committee constituted by the government will engage with all the Autonomous District Council to work out the procedure. The Chief Minister also assured that, number one, there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor in the jurisdiction of the District Council. Number two, the state government intention is only to bring financial stability and a proper system so that the council are able to pay salary on time and they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Constitution of the subcommittee to consult with the Autonomous District Council. The following the statement of the Chief Minister and the Cabinet decision on the 26th August, the state government via order number DCA 27/2024/22 dated 8 September 2025 has constituted a subcommittee to engage with the Jainte Hill District Council on the issue of payment of salaries of the staff of the council. Observation of the Executive Committee. Number one, revenue and expenditure. It may be pointed out that as per the actual of 2023 and 24, revenue received total of rupees 97.14 crore only, of which 85.11 crore was from share of royalty on major and minor mineral and share of taxes on motor vehicle, whereas the actual revenue expenditure of 23 and 24 total to 113.20 crore. Thus, salaries and pension expenditure constitute about 84.20% of each expenditure. Financial hardship faced by the Jihad. As per the actual of 23 and 24, the gap between revenue received and revenue expenditure is a substantial amount of rupees 16.56 crore. Further, in absence of an efficient system for timely and regular release of the share of royalty on major and minor mineral and share on tax on motor vehicles, dues to the council, necessary for payment of monthly committed expenditure on salaries and pension. Not only that, the council is facing acute financial hardship. The employees, the pensioners of the council and their children are negatively impacted in their day-to-day life including livelihood challenge due to inability to secure adequate resources and opportunity to maintain well-being and meet the basic needs. Number 3, offer of the state government. With regard to the offer of the state government for payment of the salaries of the council employees, along with the assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister to not to interfere with the power and function of the district council, and the council sincerely appreciate the gracious intention of the state government. Number 2, decision of the Giant Hill Autonomous District Council on the affair of the state government. After considering all aspects, that is, the affair of the state government, with the assurance that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district council. Number 2, the acute financial constraints faced by the council, the delay in releasing of share on royalty, etc., and with high hope that when the affair of the state government is materialized, the council would be in a better position to bring about a positive impact in the maintenance and upgradation of the asset of the council, including upgradation of the standard of the administration, increase and expand the scope of revenue generation, and eventually achieve a financial stability. The STIP committee has taken a decision to accept the aforesaid offer with a certain condition. Accordingly, a proposal of the detailed framework necessary to implement a state government decision has been submitted to the subcommittee constituted on this behalf. Those proposals include submitted by the executive committee. Number 1, that the existing mandate and powers of the Autonomous District Council as empowered under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India shall not be infringed upon or dilute whatsoever. Number 2, that the affair of the state government to pay the salary to the employees of the council shall continue till such time the council achieve financial stability. Number 3, that the affair of the state government to pay the salary shall include both the expenditure component, namely salary and pensions. Number 4, that for the initial phase covering the backlog period of salary and pension payment yet to be paid, including for the financial year 25-26 and also for 26-27, the funding of the state government be entirely 100% without any adjustment from the dues of the council on account of share of royalty on major and minor mineral and share of tax on motor vehicles. Number 5, thereafter, the percentage of funding may be revised downwardly and gradually in doses over a certain period of time, but not exceeding 50% of the share of royalty on major and minor mineral, unless the size of the same share of royalty increases to more than 200% of the present revenue. Number 6, that after a situation arises when the share of royalty on major and minor minerals increase to the level of 200% over the present revenue, the funding of the state government may be reduced to 0%. Number 7, the matter of regulating the service of council employees and related administrative matters shall be remain unchanged. Number 8, the preparation of salary and pension bills, including the payment thereof, rests with the council, and likewise all audit-related matters thereof. Number 9, that whenever there is likely to be an additional requirement of fund on account of annual increment, which usually take place in the month of January or July, and on account of promotion, etc., the council shall submit a proposal along with an estimate thereof through the District Council Affairs Department with a copy to the District Treasury. Number 10, that for every such monthly release of funds, the DCA department shall convey to the JHAT the component of grant in aid, share of royalty on non-major mineral, and share of taxes on motor vehicle for proper accounting in the book of account and the council and for audit purpose. The executive committee also proposed that after the state government consider and agree to all those proposals submitted by the JHAT, an agreement governing all the action points specified in the proposal be executed between the state government and the JHAT. The executive committee proposed that for the agreement to be binding and lawful, the state government may formulate and introduce a finance bill in the state legislature to culminate in a finance act of the state. Gentlemen, sir, these are the proposals as I have read now. The proposal submitted by the executive committee. So I think the honorable member who bring, all these proposals we have already submitted through that committee constituted by the state government. So only this clarification and so much.
Jadi ini dia ngau ke Pak Cik. Ini komiti. The komiti ini ya kok. Ini dia cok. Tapi dia komiti mah. Komiti ni di MDC nama. Tak nama ki berugi di mana para komiti. Apa komiti?
Mr. Chairman sir, ini komiti untuk di komiti juga Naga Council. Di komiti manggilan ni chairman tu DC yang ke West Hills, secretary ke Kong Black Magistrate, jadi members yang dari komiti manggi Sri Marco Surong Advocate, and Sri D. Lendo, Professor and Principal Chapung College, and Sri Petar Sawian, Richard, and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya of Finance. Kini mandi di membari yang ternika subkomiti da konstitutif daga state government the iyagan proposal yang but the kod ila mta do submit ni hay the kod lang i kan ki member ki si member ye chong lang ki ya ta sim chong bun kong yo ti Bada persnyau, bada ya kelam ya dia dari kagak kuat dari kata mau persnyau ni. Tersebut lembaga ini, begini komisi itu ikan yang kaya wanra baca state government, jadi hidup dia bagi dia kelam ni, dia lembaga kita persnyau government. Persnyau, yo jadi cuci wah lembaga ni komiti wah reform ni isi submit di proposal. Namun hal ini pun di condition itu kiwa kalam dau honorable CMP condition untuk isi pun submit ini. Kalau kamu orang tadi, kemudian di orang kamu tadi orang chief minister lah orang untuk statement non interference in the day-to-day affair yang sumber di council. Ibu itu kintian dari bihi kami bihi. Tumun dia bisi yang west baru so man perspos katri. Yo kurang memang itu lebih tapi ya tahu apa. Laku agi macam jo itu man kam jo itu man katri kan. Kis gerap musuh. Kalau itu di poin itu kiwa ada juga kondisi nopo kan itu di toy ini sistem arsenal 5-6 spending gora which is 5% of food the state of clear so I get it is now tidak dalam kami rapi council dulu kemana biak gora dan itu ni kami divin tanggung ini require condition tu ye itu aku di umurong temu ada accept ke state government ini condition ini temu tidak accept hit itu wegan ni wegan itu untuk long term no ini untuk do review hadin review ini. Nah, kami ya ini wow, kok itu poin yang kaya council ini, kami kemen isu ini buat harusnya untuk ketuk kemen nan interference. Ya yo monggai wan ni ke yo lebih support council kam wa, yo hingga ni ke limit yang itu nada efek no moyong. Dengan senyawa itu kan orang orang percaya itu, Andre orang percaya, kaduk dia percaya ni tak jaga interference autonomy yang council. Dia tak manusia kaya. Waktu wajo ikhtiar yang yang kamu tu mandi, Andre, aku roh kita periang na, tung di wabru. Tampit, what is his role? What is he duty of our principal secretary? Kita akan mencoba ILM ini principal secretary di Mantan ini. Ang tu hirap ini secretary. Andre, don't go outside. Muna kagor ka ng apa principal secretary yang gay. Secretary, obviously, the secretary have to put macam one di isi roalan. Dalam chief decision oleh ada file guru open dan lain orang orang tam dia kata. Bahawa point of view appointed dalam everybody one ini dalam mikap. Ini bagi apa ini ada di condition dua area isi dua met dua yang kira council untuk binding kali ada lah tanggal ada keputusan yang council mana met keputusan final council tempat dah berkamutan beri relief Mengetul lah saya yang apa kaya, di kami di Port jiwa tapi kemudian ni gua ini jika terjadi ni nana gua daily ya kan autonomi ini ke kompleks kami council kata ada itu reform boy yigi bu itu ya ulai pe ya selari kana tang kata bu bijimah Teknologi gua mau tahu, itu yo man personal secretary yo sup kata lain telok, yo pun juga telok kan. Andre dalam ronda efek. Dia kata ngawa, itu ini bukan tu isi lah. Baik, leman bertit ni kamu telah menentukan igi ke support yang ini, full kita harap persen kita yang penting di surau ini, you kemen. Andre, pada amdo guru yang kita apa atas, kan ni lah council yang ini. Baik, buat yo ni mentai wo. Irule boy pha yo tulok yo pa ya lai tulok Andre in the long run do da rit to ndam gi bai dai kam tam mo ini ki program isan yo me do ini kemudian gini ga ya sini to di program ini det bu wa na ba kum sa to e de sto dia ini kum sa to ore di der paman kom ini program custom yang ini tidak bu ga ini cuma yang kami kita dengan kata yang ngapa waktu yang isi kayak gitu mau enak jadi kan wajah mungkin yang support mungkin, hai para kata dengan mana tingkat disupport saya support. Kenapa? Ustaz Mangsa, jadi itu orang principal secretary yang ka state government wa point do teman Iya yang baru mesti dihias proposal ini. Boleh sekian proposal yang tiba pada depan ini tuan untuk MCU terus pasal ini tahu boleh ini. Kerana iwan harga ni proposal yang ini empat. Wei waderai le apa isi wawa. Ini kau tu imsyak macam kan. Tela da dia baru tunggu orang orang cakap indah tunggu yang prinsipal sekretari kuat yang kata kompolai kuasa di kling dia. Ketel iman di kling ini mai dia lah. Ketel yang baru tunggu baik kata kan ini orang kamu. Hendak harga ni ke proposal ini imam. Pani ni kamu harga menu isi wadawu yang prinsipal sekretari. Kerajaan kat kamu lah yang kelamu yang membaca kenijan hai semlek lagi mambu kan ni pak ulek di kat gini di kuat kat gini ko pandai iki umpan di tengah raya melek
agni ko porianya nyau sebentar kamu percaya ya ke tu kecil nak leong film yang prom yang ni ya ke tu ke draft kepada tu di jaga komiti kepada thung dekat state government Andre hab you penmo kamu konsul kamu elko leboi do ika ketika autonomy kecil sejak pak te i neva hak lihat penmo iki senan tu dekat ki 90s ki 90 ki kendai klai agak tu kepuan ngarang manukau kena skor yang will perlu work rate ke forest department man ketiak kedok dengan wanu stafsa yang ngat kedok yang dia kedok untuk wayu upre ke forest department a check ke kamu kendo agak tu kepuar tu fully controlled by the council ke council wa ya ke state government ya ke share demokratik 40% ma 30% mengambil pemuha Andre de kampung ada tukar-tukar di sana ke state government yobang ko ini him apa dekat ke supen ban ke state government ye Asia ke state government Asia ye ke support sulpiyo nelor ite ke share la man ko kien ba to te wakate de man ko supau persen mo dan me ta ha jo tu bu at persen kena ketika dah nadu ke definition yang ke support sulpiyo ni ko nang kong to hap you open mo wa ito yo iya ka bo ka autonomy power go suncha ini yo iya ka bo suncha le iya tensa leda kami leda dia wa to wa ke state government chim go kampan pia ma we boy silat kampen neha ke peratwal yung constitutional pangkano ko wa eboar ko yung governor lada im setiap ko ichami wa to wa hat you fight back with the state government number daya tengko ko kita hak chimi tas ko week wa oban lada ka state government gloy ko yarap yung council ko yung ay ito wa ni financial crisis lembaga finance department yui wa di kentin juang kami ke finance department ye ko receipt ya ke state fund dan ye ke central fund ye pe wo sutulak dan ye ke fund la ke sarkar Meghalaya wa ko uyarap ke konsul ke
wa habi ko kami yang ngap ke jeng share ne ke jeng man ko ni ka trap yo man ka trap i we kamu orang itu sampurang hai ke state government itu wabin kau tang jinggali wami baik aja bin yang ini orang letak ni kata banyak advance share full masuk dapat tak kurang gitu kita nak itu budget per share di office long committee orang ada gitu irap simple solution advance waktu nanti langsung tutup simple dapat kam temut tahu ya chong hai tu orang tu bond agreement orang something behind the scene watawa wajiri em hadin na ketua isi yo man husiara kita giwa behind the scene giwa lebih jing talk giwa kamon giwa wong jo yo ma i em jadi apa ida yo kenang wa yo Biji koman kamu ong membareng tuman ka trap hadir.
Mi ngi cim man ray tegal di lukti stang cim kejak di boro da kami. Tapi this view we tengah lah. Motion.